Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video I will show you the products tab in Prodio. So, the products tab in Prodio is the tab where you can store all the knowledge about the products in your company, and you have easy access to it. It looks like that. Here you have a list of all the products that you've added. You can also filter the products by product group, client, product ID, name, EN, for example, additional names, and is it active or no. So now, how to add a new product? You just have to click here, and here only required field is product name. You just have to enter that, and that's it. You can create a product, but we also have some additional information below. So maybe I will show it to you at some products. Okay, for example, maybe this one. From here you can also edit the products, delete them, and duplicate them, so that if you have very similar product, you can just make a duplicate and then edit it. Okay, so as I said, we have to just enter the name, but here we can put some additional information about the product that it will make easier for our workers to produce it. So information that we can include is, for example, product group, client, EN, additional names, size, packing method, and also additional notes that are visible or not to the shop floor view. So you may add notes that are, for example, for the manager and that are for the production workers. Then we have price, currency, and VAT rate. And here are additional fields which you can create depending on what you need. For example, here we have color and material as the additional fields, but in your company it may be name of CNC program, or for example surface roughness. Just you can add the additional fields that will be practical for you, that you need. And then here we have possibility to add product images and to add some files, like for example PDF files with maybe some more instructions for the workers. But as I said, all of this is just optional. Now let's get to technology, which is also optional. And technology is just the processes that your product needs to go through to be completed. So for example, it could be like here cutting, folding, painting, and quality control, but it could be also CNC1, CNC2, quality control, just the processes that your product needs to go through to be completed. And here is an important thing. You don't have to add technology here in the product. You can add it while creating an order for the product. But if you enter the technology here, then later it would be automatically entered into the order for this product. So if you put it here, you don't have to do it every time you create an order. So what do we have here? We have all the machines and operations that we've created before. We can assign a new one by clicking here. And so we just choose the machine. Then we can select the type of operation. Now setting operation is when before you use the machine, you have to change the settings in it, so it may take some time. So if you would like to have information about how it took, how your worker, how much time he spent it on setting the machine, you should use this option. And second thing is that we have independent of the number of pieces, which is good option when you don't have, for example, a few elements to be made, but if you have, if you are producing one element and it takes really long time, then it might be a good option to use it, because then your workers, when they finish and they just finish their shift, but they didn't finish the element, they just can choose is it ready or no. So it's very simple. And the default operation is the one where your workers have to input how many pieces they've made. Then we have norm, which you can choose to be calculated in seconds, minutes, hours, or products per hour. And what norm gives you is that later you have the calculation of the productivity of your workers, and you have calculation of planned and real costs of the order. Then we have operation parameters, which are just some additional information, but not for the whole product, but for this specific machine operation in this product. And then we have tags, which just makes it easier for the workers to navigate at the shop floor view. And here we also have option to add some files, again for this specific machine or operation in this product. And here is important thing, end machine, which is just the machine or operation that's at the end of the whole production process, so that when someone finishes their work at, for example, quality control, then we have some amount of ready products, like we have 5 products that have been made. So that's important to choose that some of the machines or operations is the end machine. Okay, and now we have raw materials section, which is also optional, but if you want to operate into in the inventory and you want to check how much of the raw materials were used and have better calculations of costs, then you probably should use this tab. So what we can do here is that we can either create a new raw material or assign the raw material that already exists. So while creating a new raw material, you have to just enter the name and you can save it, but you can also add some description, notes, price, index, additional name, units, VAT rate and currency. And when you have the raw materials, then you can assign them to the machines or operations. So, for example, let's choose something. And here you can choose how much of this raw material will be used per product. And here you choose at which machines or operations it's going to be used. If you don't choose anything, then it will be automatically by default set that the raw material will be used at all the machines, which could be a problem because if you just use, let's say, one piece of the raw material, then if you don't change it, it will be shown that, for example, if you have 3 machines, that 3 pieces of this raw material were used. So just choose the machines at which the raw material is really used. So actually that's it for the products tab. So as you can see, you can easily add a new product, assign technology and raw materials to it, and then you have really easy access to all the data, all the knowledge about the products that you have thanks to this tab. Then when you have the products, you can create an order. But if you would like to learn more about creating an order, please watch our other videos, and thank you for watching. See you. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.